Hello everyone, and welcome to the next video in our Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to discuss about the command Nano. The Nano command is used to open the Nano text editor in Unix and Linux system. It is simple and easy to use text editor that operates within the terminal. Nano is particularly user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners who need to edit text files and directly from the command line. So the basic syntax here is nano options, then the file name that you want to create. The key features of Nano is the simple interface. Nano provides a straightforward interface with command displayed at the bottom of the screen. Another key features of the Nano command is the real-time editing. You can edit files directly within the terminal. Nano uses keyboard shortcuts for navigating and file manipulation. Let's see how we can use Nano. First of all, let me list what is inside my desktop directory. So LX, directory 3, directory 4, directory 6, and the rest files. So I want to create a file, file1.txt. As you can see, we don't have any file in our desktop directory called file1.txt. Nano file1 nano file1.txt. If file1.txt does not exist, Nano will create it. But if the file exists, Nano will open it for editing. So as you can see, we don't have file1.txt. So Nano command is going to create file1.txt in my desktop directory. So once I hit enter, I've successfully created the file 1.txt using Nano. So I can just enter a random text here and just enter a random text. So for me to save this file, I will use Ctrl O to save the file. Nano will prompt me if I want to confirm the file. So Ctrl O to save it. That's prompt me finding to write file1.txt. Then I click on enter. Press Ctrl X to exit from this Nano file. Ctrl X. Assuming I did not save the file, Nano will ask if I want to save before exiting. For example, let me go back to this file, nano file1.txt. I've added another text here, ABCD. And I don't want to save it. I know for me to save this, I need to press Ctrl O. So I don't want to press Ctrl O. I want to press Ctrl S to exit. Ctrl X. That's asked me if I want to save before exiting. So once I click on Y, which is yes, then I hit enter. Automatically, it has saved it. So if I go back to the file, nano file1.txt, you can see that we have saved the changes. Let me exit from here. Ctrl X to exit. We can also use Nano to edit system configuration. Let me clear my terminal. Sudo nano /etc/host. System administrator often use Nano to quickly edit configuration files. So once I hit enter, it will ask me for my password. Type my password and hit enter. So for system administrators, majority of them use this to quickly edit their configuration files. So I've exited from the /etc/host. Clear. Sudo nano /etc /ssh/sshd _config. This command will open the SSH configuration file in Nano with root privileges, allowing me to make necessary changes. So once I hit enter, I can be able to edit or modify my file here. So once I'm through with what I'm doing, I will just click on Ctrl O, then enter, then Ctrl X to exit. So this command is useful for system administrators and Linux users. Now we can also use Nano to create a script. Let me clear my terminal. Nano script .sh. This command will open the script.sh in Nano, where I can start writing my shell script. And it can also be used to create different types of file like C++, Java, Python, etc. So once I hit enter, I can start typing my script. So once I'm through with what I'm writing, I'll just click on Ctrl O to save, enter, then Ctrl S to exit. Ls. So I want to edit what is inside new.txt. So I can also use the command nano to view what is inside new.txt and also edit it. Like I said if the file does not exist, it will create an empty file. But if the file exists, it will open the file to edit it. So this is what is inside new.txt. I can use the command Ctrl K to cut the current line and store it in the buffer, similar to a clipboard. Ctrl K. Then I can use the command Ctrl U to paste the text stored in the buffer. Ctrl U. See that you have successfully pasted the text that was stored in the buffer. Let me exit from new.txt file. Ctrl X, Y, enter to exit. Imagine you need to update a configuration file to change a setting on your Linux server. Using Nano, you can quickly open the file, make the necessary changes, and save it without leaving the command line. So for us to do it, first of all, I need to clear my terminal and use the command sudo nano /etc /ng engines /engines .conf. After editing, save the file with Ctrl O and exit with Ctrl X. Ctrl O to save, enter, Ctrl S to exit. The Nano command is a convenient and accessible tool for text editing in the terminal, making it a go-to choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and recommend.